Hello everybody. It's been a long time that you have been soliciting few videos on English language and literature. So I have decided that in the next few weeks, I would try to upload few of the basic English language videos as well as literature videos of ICSE and ISC. Currently, I'm engaged in interacting with brilliant minds of 9 to 12 in Lucknow in a mission school. And what I gather from my students, the problem is the basic nuances of English. Normally, the feedback what I got was that the language they know is of basically WhatsApp or the short form which you use nowadays. When it comes to ICSE grammar, functional grammar, ICSE essay writing, letter writing, précis writing, it becomes very difficult when they write the examination and they are found wanting. So keeping all this in mind, I'm trying to prepare few modules which may be of great help to you. And I'm pretty confident that you will benefit out of it. I'm looking forward to interacting with you all in near future and soliciting your feedback also so that I can also analyze your viewpoint, what are your requirements, what you understand better so that I can try to fulfill it. Thank you and have a wonderful week ahead.